My name is Barre Pinske, and I'm up here in my studio on a beautiful day in May. And over the last, boy, I don't even know, January, February, March, April, May, I guess February or March we started this. Last 3 months I've been working on this countertop. This is a Twig and Resin countertop. I've been casting it. I've got branches and spalted maple and all kinds of stuff glued down on here. If you Google Twig and Resin countertop, or you do a search on my blog, the Pinske Carving Forum, you could find pictures of this countertop being created, which is pretty cool. So Google Barre Pinske, go to my blog, do a search, or search Twig and Resin countertop. I believe this will come up. This is probably the only one like it in the entire world. And what I'm going to do, now this is the most expensive project that I've ever created, and I am about to cut the surface of this with a chainsaw. Can you believe that? So, so this is this is a priceless countertop, like Frank Lloyd Wright style, or Frank Gehry, you know, or Pininfarina, or whatever the heck that Ferrari designer guy's name is, man. We're gonna make history with this. And this is a chainsaw! And I'm about to cut the top of this beautiful custom counter that these people are buying from me, which is gonna be gorgeous. I'm gonna cut it with a freaking chainsaw, man. All right, here we go. You can shoot the sawdust right out the second-story window when you work like this. This is amazing. Now that's what I call freaking cool. Woo! I've been waiting a long time for this. I'm excited. All right, there you go. So when you got a big countertop project and you need it cut down a little bit smooth, just grab your chainsaw with a 30-inch bar, crank it up upstairs in your freaking house, and let her rip, man.